What just happened? My head! That was crazy. Freddy just bit me. Okay, guys, what is going on here? Okay, I have to figure this out. Oh, my head. Oh, my head. Guys, what happened? So me, that's good. What's happening? I don't know what's happening, but Freddy just bit me. Ugh. I might have to take him down off stage. I mean, I don't really want to, but I'm gonna have to. I got him down off stage because, as I think we're closing up here, this is not it. Guys. Here. Alright. Gonna make a sign that it's closing down. Alright guys, let's get some more sacks. Okay, that should be enough. Guys, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. But hey, this one in, you know what, I don't think I need all of them because, alright guys. We're closing up. Goodbye, Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria. I don't get what's happening here. There's gotta be some explanation to this. Hey guys, there it is. Let's get away from this pizzeria. Let's get away. Get away. Just run. Hide. Okay. Let's build a little house here. Get a little bit of shelter at least. Oh, this is Minecraft. Can't have a little house. Let's have a little shelter. I don't know how we're even gonna live close to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. Alright. That should almost be enough. It should be enough until we find something to do with that pizza place. I need to call Purple Guy and tell him about this. Guys, a little hint, I don't really know what to use for a phone, so I'm going to use a brick slab. Okay, let's go over here. Phone, it's a phone. Hello, hello, hi, Purple Guy, listen, I don't know what happened, but Freddy actually tried to bite my head. Well, I don't really know what to do about that. Well, I closed the place down, is that alright? Yeah, it's fine, but we're gonna have to try to repair the animatronics. Are you crazy? I broke Freddy. He actually broke himself. Yeah, we're gonna have to get new animatronics and build a new pizzeria. And do I have to work there? Yeah, you have no choice or I'll kill you. Oh, no. Alright. Well, I have a little house here. I built a little house, like, miles and miles away from the pizza place. What should I do now? I don't know. Maybe just stay there and I'll be there. Okay. Guys, if you want to find out what happens, we're gonna have to yeah, we can't have rain anymore. That's just sun is setting. Okay, guys, while we're waiting for Ronaldo, this guy over here. Hey, villager. Hey, so, is there anything I can do with the, like, there's a pizza place right over there, you can see, look, right there. Turn around. See, hey, go, look. Dude! Look over there! Right behind me, see? It's right there. What should I do until my boss comes? What? I don't understand you. Alright, guys, I'm gonna call Mike. Hi, Mike. You're the security guard in this place, right? Yeah, what's wrong? Well, Freddy bit my head. That shouldn't happen. I mean, yes, it should, but that shouldn't happen during the day. He bit my head during the night, but that shouldn't happen during the day. Well, it did, so I kinda shut down the pizzeria and I'm waiting for Purple guy to get here. Alright, but be careful, because if they're like that during the day, then they're gonna have to get dismantled. Okay, alright. Well, guys, that was it for this video. We will do a lot more videos, I promise, guys. So, see you in the next one. Remember to subscribe and turn notifications on and smash that like button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.